Hi guys, this is Irfan from ThriveServe. In this program, we will see a pattern program. The pattern is in front of you guys on the screen. So, idea behind printing this pattern is that we need spaces before downward. In the initial, there is no any space in the first row. In the second row, one space. In the third row, two space. In the fourth row, three space. In the fifth row, four space, and in the sixth row there are five space, one less space as number of row, and we will print all the star in the first row. In the second row, one less star. In the third row, one less. In the fourth, one less, and at the last, one. So we have six row, six column. So the row and column are moving uniformly, so there is no issue in this program. So we need one loop for printing row, and two loop for printing column. Why two loop? One loop for printing a star and one loop for printing a space. So let's move to the editor and check it. New Java project, star pattern 4. Finish. Go to src, create a class, say demo, take input by user, and close the scanner, sc dot close. These two lines or three lines will be responsible for taking input. Take input by user. Take a loop, write a loop, for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than num, I plus plus. This loop will be responsible for printing rows. And take one more loop for int z equals to 0, z less than I, z plus plus. I will go through the all concept, don't worry, I will try to convince you, try to teach you everything, every concept. I will not left any concept, don't worry about. Let me complete first. This loop was responsible for printing a space, and take one more loop. This loop will be responsible for printing a star. For int k equals to 0, k no k equals to num, and k greater than I. k minus minus. Print a star. Remove ln because we do not need line break, and go outside, print here a line break. Simply do not print anything, just empty. Now this is responsible for printing row, and this is responsible for printing a space, and this is responsible for printing a star, and this is responsible for printing line break. In the first row, see the pattern here. Here is the pattern. This is the complete pattern. In the first row, we need 0 space. In the second row, 1. In the third row, 2. Let's move to the code. J will start by 0, and it will less than I, less than number of row. In first row, it will start by 0 and less than I, the number of row is 0th row, so the condition will be false here. So in the first row it will not print any space. In the second row the value of I will be 1, then it will start by 0 and check if the value of j will be 1, again it will false, so it will print only one space. Similarly in the second row the value of j will be the space will be printed for j equals to 0 and 1, and when the value of j will be 2, the condition will false here. So this loop will print the space. Now coming to the star, see, in the first row we need as num we have passed. Suppose we have passed 6, so we need 6 star, then 1 less, then 1 less, then 1 less, at the end we need 1. So what we will print here, we will start by k equals to num, as number of as it will print as it will print the star as the number. I mean is, if we pass the value 6, it will print 6 times star, and the value will be greater than equals to I. Suppose in the first row we need 6 star, the value will be 0, the value of I will be 0, so it will print for k equals to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Once it will not print for 0. Once if the value of k will be 0, it will return false and it will move out to the loop. So it will run 6 times. When the value of I will be 1 in the second row, when the value of I will be 1, so it will run for the value k equals to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and if the value of k will be 1, then it will return false, and so on. At the last, for the value of 5, for the value of I, if the value of I will be 5, if the value of I will be 6, sorry, if the value of I will be 6, during that period it will not run or run. Guess it. Here it is the I, and k, the value of k equals to 6, so the I will run 0 to 5, not the 6. That's the point I was trying to say. The value of I will be 5, not the 6. if we pass the value of num equals to 6, the value of I will be only 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. So for the value of 5 at the last, k will be 6, so it will run just once, and here is the pattern: 6 5 4 3 2 1. And after every row we need print a line break to switch in the next row. So our program is complete. Let's run. Pass the value 6. Our pattern is okay. Again go run. This time pass 15. This is also okay for 15. Just print a space here for better look. Oh, here we need one more space for balancing it, because I have added one space here. Java application 25. See, the pattern is running okay for any number of value of integer. So that's it.